So today I'm doing a review, and this is going to be on Tommy Bahama St. Bart's. As you can tell, I've used a great amount of this, going on to 50% of the bottle usage. And let's go ahead and take a look here at the atomizer, and then I'm going to go over the notes. And let's see what this is looking like. If you can catch that, let me get a good angle here. Very weak atomizer, but no big deal. You can always go a little heavy on the sprays here with this one. Now let's take a look here at the notes as this dries down. I can already get a whiff of this here. The top notes is lime, and then you got tequila, you got C notes, agave, shall I say, and then middle of salt, guava, green notes, and the base of palm leaf, musk, and vanilla, which I believe is like another form of vanilla or something like that. Now, what I'm getting from this, and let's just take a look here at spray one more time. Yeah, I'm getting a ton of lime. I do not drink, but if I did, I would assume you're gonna get some of that tequila here. Like I said in the first impression, it's definitely got some C notes. I am noticing the C notes. This is a perfect summer type of wear. Then the middle notes, you are getting a good amount of that salt. This is a salty type of fragrance, which is nice. It's not like a bad salt. I'm sure tequila, salt, and lime go together anyways. And then you got guava, which I don't really pick up. Green notes, once again, not really picking up on the green notes. The base of palm leaf, musk, and vanilla, which I also don't really pick up on too much of those. But what I did notice is that this smells wonderful. This is a really good smelling scent. This is a definite like, how can I put it? It's a definite great smell. Like for me, the scent profile is like above and beyond. It's definitely a good 9 out of 10 when it comes to the scent profile. Now, when it comes to everything else, it's kind of is lacking a bit, but the price does make up for it. I got this one for 20 bucks, and I saw it on clearance for 16, so I picked up a second bottle. So if I'm picking up a second bottle, then yeah, it's actually pretty good. Like I said, this one just I'm not sure if it's because of the atomizer just doesn't come out as much, making it not last as long, kind of with like the Kenneth Cole one that I have. That is the Midnight Blue, or whatever that is, Moonlight Blue. That one is the same thing. I think the performance isn't good, but it's not because the performance isn't good. It's because, take a look at the atomizer. I mean, like, what is this? It's not squirting out nothing. So with this one, you can go like 10 sprays and whatnot, you know, go heavy on the sprayers. It's not like you're wasting it because you're really not squirting out a lot. Just a little nitpick on my side, but with this one, like I said, what it comes down to is like the performance is not that good in my opinion. It is very lackluster, so it doesn't last more than about an hour, maybe two, but the scent that it provides for that period of time is wonderful. It really is a really good scent. This is just something that for me smells almost like lemons even, but there's no lemons in it. It's definitely lime. It smells just like lemon, even a lime actually, you could say as well, but it smells like the peels. It doesn't smell like sweet at all, but it doesn't smell too acidic, not too sour, so it's like the perfect, it literally smells, in my opinion, like fresh lemons. It smells like fresh lemons. I know there's lime here and whatnot, but it smells like lemons to me. My cousin did actually get a whiff of this one, and he said, ooh, it smells really good. It smells like lemonade. So I'm not wrong there. There's definitely a lemon-like feature with this one, even though it's claiming lime, but it's definitely lime. But you know, lemons and limes, they kind of like smell almost similar. So yeah, with this one, by the way, as well, the bottle design is really neat. I really do like the rope that is around the cap, making this one look presentable in my opinion. You have this in your collection, it's gonna look awesome. I dropped the bottle on some rocks. So I did drop the bottle, like I stated, on some rocks, and it caused this little bit of scratching here. Luckily it did not break. That just goes to show that this is a sturdy bottle. Like I said, the design on this is not cheap, so I really give them kudos for that. Even the cap, very snug on there. The bottle feels very thick. It does not feel cheap. It does not feel light at all. So it's pretty heavy. So my final rating on this one is going to be an 8.5 out of 10, solely due to the smell. The smell is actually really good. But the performance on this, it's mediocre. And not only is the performance mediocre, the longevity, that's where it has a downfall, you know. The longevity for this one is just like 1 hour, 2 hours tops. I'm sure you'll smell it on the 3rd hour, but only you will smell it. So at that point, it's not really like doing what it's supposed to. But like I said, this one, I only gave it such a high rating because I do like the smell of it. It does remind me of like fresh, and I mean like ripe, like ready, like the most perfect lemons available. It doesn't smell like a lemon that's just like not entirely ready, like a green one or nothing. It smells like the most ripe of the ripe lemons, and or lime in this case. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end off on that, shall I say. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, push me out into the algorithm and whatnot. I really do appreciate it. It's what's gonna keep me going. I'm gonna get back on to posting tons of videos. I have tons of ideas, tons of fragrances I haven't done. So I will be getting to my Michael Jordan collection and my Mont Blanc collection and even Tommy Hilfiger and all that other stuff. I just have a bunch of fragrances that I just don't get around to. And I've done a lot of first impressions, so I still have to review those. So be on the lookout, guys. I have content for days, and I would appreciate it if you guys stuck around. So once again, Tom Bahama, St. Bart's. It is a go out and get it. For 20 bucks, it's fair. It really is. And honestly, I'm about to go do an errand, so let me go ahead and spray up. And like I said, you can go heavy with the sprays on this one because you think it's a waste of liquid, but no, it's not, because dude, look at this atomizer.